Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery of our device. So finally the iPhone has the function to truly hide the photos, and if you don't know how to do that, I'll just show you how to do that in a couple of simple clicks. So first let's just open our Photos application, and for example let's imagine that we want to hide these 3 photos. So just select them, and after that click here on the right down corner of the bottom on these 3 dots. After that just tap here to hide and click hide 3 photos. After that just let's go back to the albums here, scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see the hidden section. Just here you should click on this hidden section, and if you use the Face ID on your device, for example, or the PIN code or passcode, you should use them. I'll just make it with the Face ID, so click here, try Face ID, and now we can see here these hidden photos. That's so simple, right? Just if you want to unhide them again, just select them, click here to these 3 dots again and click unhide. And now we'll find them again here in our albums in recents. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.